How to check previous usernames on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on Roblox, what you can simply do is select on a person that you want to check the username for. So let's tap on a particular person over here or a friend and simply drag up and you'll be able to see the option of view full profile. So you can simply tap on view full profile over here, and as you do that you'll be able to see the full profile of that particular person in the next page. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now as I landed on the full profile of that particular person, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and you can see for the usernames. So basically, the past usernames are generally seen under About section, but since we do not have this option, so this person might not have had any other past username, but the process is the same. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.